Hello everyone, you're welcome once again. You're welcome to this channel. If this is your first time of joining, please kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Likewise, you should drop a comment in the comment section, share this video for everyone to benefit. You can as well as join the WhatsApp and the Telegram group that will be posted in the comment section of this video. So don't forget, like I said, you need to turn on the notification bell to receive updates like this whenever such videos are posted. So do also turn on the notification bell. This is Hamster Kombat and we want to unveil our daily cipher word for today to be able to claim our 1 million Hamster Kombat coins. We've posted for the daily combo today. We have 3 cards: App Center listing, Web3 Academy launch, and grant for developers. We have grant for developers under the Web3, and we have App Center listing and Web3 Academy under the special section. So do what to claim your cards for today. Likewise, I have made a video on how you can unlock your keys, both using the mini game and using the car bike race. There's a bike race that you can use to unlock more keys. Do well to watch the video. It's been posted on this channel. Now, on today's session, our daily cipher word for today is bridge. Bridge, BRIDGE, that's bridge. Now, to get our B is dash dot dot. To get our R is dot dash dot. To get our I is double dot. To get our D is dash dot dot. To get our G is dash dash dot. And to get our E is a single dot. So let's unlock our word for today to be able to claim 1 million Hamster Kombat coins. Our B is dash dot dot. Our R is, okay, let's try it all over again. Our B is dash dot dot dot. That's 3 dots. To get our R is dot dash dot. To get our I is dot dot. To get our D is dash dot dot. Okay, let's try and refill. Let's refill this. We've exhausted our tapping, so let's just refill another one so we'll be able to claim. So select daily cipher. To get our B is dash dot dot dot. To get our R is dot dash dot. To get our I, to get our R is dot dash dot. To get our I is dot dot. To get our D is dash dot dot. To get our G is dash dash dot. And to get our E, just a single dot, and that's bridge. Select take the price, and as you can see, we've been able to unlock. It says great job CEO, go for today, achieve. Now let's continue this tapping. Then also I will add the video to how you can unlock the mini game, though there's a time down of 44 minutes before it's being unlocked again for another new one. But if you are yet to unlock, I would have the video added for you to check how you can unlock this before this time runs out as well. So don't forget, make sure your wallet is connected. Continue to increase your profit per hour, continue to increase your coins. We have some videos here that you can watch and earn coins for watching these videos as well. Do well to check them out. So I'll be seeing you shortly. This is the videos for you to unlock the key. See you in another one of unlocking another key in the next for 3 minutes.